Is a plus b greater than 0? That is the question. I have two statements. One says that 2a minus 5b is greater than 0. So I can take 5b to the right and say that 2a is greater than 5 times b. Now, if b is positive, then definitely a must be positive too. So if a and b are both positive, the sum is going to be positive. The answer is yes. Now, if b is negative, then a could be positive or negative, but I will take negative just to get a case that answers no. So it's not sufficient. Okay, now for statement 2, I have pretty much the same case. 3b greater than a. If a is positive, then b must be positive too. This answer is yes. And if a is negative, it could be that b might also be negative. Okay, it could be positive too, but I'm just gonna take the negative so that I can answer no and say that the statement is not sufficient. Now, if I work together with both statements, I can do this property that says that I can add two inequalities that have the same inequality symbol. But in order to get the advantage, I need to eliminate a. And for that, I will need to multiply this statement by 2. That would be 6b minus 2a greater than 0. And the first statement says that 2a minus 5b is greater than 0. Now I can add them up because they have the same inequality sign. And that would eliminate 2 times a, which would leave me with b greater than 0. And now, since this is a fact that b is greater than 0, and I use it in statement 1, and if b is positive, that must mean that a is definitely positive as well. So both a and b would be positive, and so the sum would be positive as well. Statements 1 and 2 together are sufficient. That is letter C.